Hello, good evening everyone. This is Professor Ram Guke and I am back with new lesson. So first of all, I would like to welcome everyone on my YouTube channel. So we have started this online MCQ based lecture series to cover all the lessons. There are total 9 lessons in the syllabus of MSBT first year, first semester, first year and all branches. There is a specific subject English language. 22101 is the subject code. So under this subject we are covering all the necessary topics, keeping in the view our point in the mind that all this time the government, due to the Omicron corona and all that, they are going to conduct online examination. So keeping in the perspective of how to frame an MCQ basis on online examination, so with this all research and study, I am coming up every day with a new topic, MCQ based topic, and I'm covering 10, 12, 15, whatever MCQs are there on the lesson. There are so many we can frame, but I'm just giving you an idea what or how the question will come in the examination. So that's what our business, right? So so far we have covered 2 topics. That number 1 is Shiva's blessing, and yesterday we finished with the lesson 2, that is grind, and today I'm gonna cover that is J.R.D. Tata, the biography, and what he has done, J.R.D. Tata, in his life, how he made the company a global name. So what type of MCQ we can get from this lesson? I am just giving you 10 to 12 MCQs on this particular lesson, but I don't take any guarantee that this lesson, these MCQs are going to come for the examination, because this type of questions can come, but exactly this one, that is not possible as such, because I don't take any guarantee of that promise, right? So you can get a direction for your study, and you can frame your own MCQs as many as possible by looking at this pattern, right? So that is everything else for today's session. So without further delay, let's begin with the lesson with the PPT. So guys, we are here in our classroom. So let's begin with the lesson number 3, that is J.R.D. Tata. So the first MCQ: who was the patron of science and arts? So everybody knows the answer. If you have studied very well the lesson number 3, that is J.R.D. Tata, then we will come to know definitely that J.R.D. Tata was the patron of science and arts, because he was not only a businessman, but along with that he also support the science and arts, and due to his supportive atmosphere in the science field, the scientists like world repute Homi Bhabha and others, they could grow in his period, right? So J.R.D. Tata is a patron of science and art. J.R.D. Tata became the 4th chairman in the year. So this question is, in which year J.R.D. Tata became the 4th chairman of Tata Group of Business? So the year is 1938. In 1938, J.R.D. Tata became the 4th chairman of the Tata Group. Third question: there was an economist such as in J.R.D.'s team. Who was the economist who working with J.R.D. Tata? So the answer number C, D.R. Pense, is an economist who worked with J.R.D. Tata. What is the meaning of the word conglomerate? Conglomerate, right? So answer number A is the correct answer. Large firm made up of several companies. So now there is a new word for this, that is entrepreneur, right? So option A is the correct answer here. Let's move to the next one. An entrepreneur is, see, the same question is here, a self-made businessman, who start his own empire. J.R.D. Tata brought to India. So what did J.R.D. Tata brought in India? the commercial aviation. So commercial aviation is the gift of J.R.D. Tata for Indian aviation industry. Under Tata's leadership, the company's asset climbed from XYZ to dash dash. So answer number B, 62 crore to 10,000 crore. That was the achievement of J.R.D. Tata, because when he joined at that time company's asset was just 62 crore, but when he the company or left the company or charge or position in 1991 or 4, something like that, at that time the asset climbed to 10,000, from 62 to 10,000. Tata Steel became one of the earliest companies in India to have a dedicated human resource department. So it is the first company in India who started the human resource department to look after the problems of employees and to work on their self growth and development. Sometimes J.R.D. Tata referred as chairman's chairman. So B number of option is correct answer here. Thank you and best of luck for the examination. So this is what I just wanted to communicate with all of you today, and I have conveyed what I feel to convey with all of you, because according to the MSBT online examination pattern of English, subject code 22101, I have framed 10 to 12 questions, MCQ based question on this particular topic. So we will meet tomorrow again with new lesson, that is Masiha for the Bandhan Sikh. So far, bye bye, have a nice day, thank you so much, thanks a lot.